Friend, ayan, we went to Binondo yesterday, Independence Day. Yeah, it's a holiday, so no work. So we decided to go to Binondo, but we can find a parking space in Quiapo, so we have no choice kasi one way na siya. So we instead went to SM Manila. So from SM Manila, we took a jeep ride going to Binondo, Chinatown. So why are we in Binondo? So we have been asking Papsi for his gift. So first is our anniversary last December. So hindi ka kasi madali to go to Binondo eh. So ayan, naipon na po yung ating mga gifts. So, we bought bracelets. So sa Binondo we have affordable. And this is our anniversary, December last year. Anniversary gift. Then, Christmas. So, we have another gift for Christmas. So, yung bracelet lang po yung binibili natin. Kasi we have the our necklace for our crucifixing. So, this is for Christmas. Then, our birthday. Last April. So, we receive a lot of our gifts, diba? So, our celebration of my birthday. So, si Papsi, ngayon pa lang nabili namin ang gift niya. So, yung time nga kasi going to, ayan. So, kumukha siya nung isa, but this is bigger. Ayan. So, this is 2,000 pesos. 2,000 pesos. This is 1,500. Ba, affordable, very affordable. And then, Mother's Day. Ayan. So, we have 4. This is Queen Elizabeth. Ayan. All dangling bracelets. So, this is for Mother's Day. Then, we bought last year this one. But, yung ano niya, yung closer niya is parang hook lang. So, pina-replace natin siya. They replace it. So, yan. We were able to So, these are our Binondo haul. Thank you, Papsi, for the accumulated gifts since last year. So, yeah, it was a... and then, after buying this, we went back to SM Manila. So, ano naman tayo? Nag-SM book sale. So, yan, double celebration. Then, finally, we went home and visit Elle. So, happy to have dinner with Elle. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.